Hi guys, happy Monday. I'm Lisa Thomas. I'm a licensed sex therapist. Welcome back to another episode of Save Your Sex Life, where I, as a sex therapist, try to assist in you guys having the best sex, the best relationships, and the best intimacy. Today we're going to talk about how men can last longer during sex and in bed. So a lot of guys reach out to me, get a lot of phone calls, get a lot of emails. Lisa, I need your help lasting longer. I can't stave off ejaculation and I need help. So I'm going to give you guys my quick tips for what to do. Number one, use condoms. Condoms are very desensitizing in that it's sort of, it's a little bit of, desensitization numbing where you won't be able to feel as much. So condoms are a great way to kind of be able to last longer. Number two is this little trick called Promescent. Promescent is male genital desensitizing spray with lidocaine in it. So it's called Promescent. You can get it online. Very useful. I tell men, spray it on your penis and then put a condom on. And with that, it's super desensitizing. If you spray the Promescent on and don't use a condom, it can get onto your partner, which can cause some desensitization for them. Some men don't care, but I just, I tell you as it is. So Promescent spray with a condom or any kind of desensitizing spray that has lidocaine in it, that will help. So that's tip number two. Tip number three, masturbate to be able to last longer. So guys need to become familiar with what is called your point of no return. So basically you want to masturbate, self-stimulate until you feel like you're about to ejaculate and then stop masturbating and wait a few minutes. Then start masturbating again, same thing, work yourself up to that point of no return where you feel like you're about to ejaculate and then stop, hands off, let your erection kind of calm down. Third time you can go ahead and ejaculate, but the point is to familiarize yourself with your point of no return, what it feels like right before you're about to ejaculate. And then when you're with a partner and you start to feel that, you can pull your penis out, take a few deep breaths. You can stop thrusting. So like sometimes when you're having sex and it's, a lot of thrusting, a lot of stimulation, you can stop thrusting and just leave your penis inside your partner. Take a few deep breaths to kind of back off of your point of no return to try to see if you can hold off longer before you ejaculate. Finally, tip number 4 is go ahead and get that ejaculation out of the way. And then when your erection comes back, be sexual that, using that time to be able to last longer. So when guys ejaculate, the second time that they ejaculate, it's going to be a little bit prolonged. You're going to be able to last longer that second time. So I'll sometimes just teach guys either ejaculate in the bathroom before you go to have sex or before you go on a date, like ejaculate, or when you're with your partner, just let them know like, hey, I'm kind of like a racehorse. I tend to ejaculate quick. Get that first ejaculation out of the way. Pleasure your partner for 10, 15 minutes until you kind of get yourself re-aroused, get yourself re-erect. And that second time you should be able to last longer with holding off before you ejaculate. So those are my 4 tips for today. Hopefully one of them spoke to you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I love making these videos and I'll see you guys later. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.